Hello everyone! This time, we will be discussing about problems on piecewise function. But before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel at JK Vanderwall. Let's start. A mobile postpaid plan costs 1,499 a month. The package plan includes 250 minutes any net call and additional 7 pesos and 50 centavos for each additional minute of consumption. So you represent the total cost of a consumer pays for a month as a function number of minutes used given by. So this time, represent natin letter C as for the cost and letter M for the minutes. C of M equal to number 1, we'll have the fixed charge at 1,499 a month. And what will be the restriction set by the company? So, you have 50 minutes. So, we have the interval of minutes or M. M is less than 0 but greater than 250. So, M for the minutes. And how about for the second one? For the second condition, so if you exceed 250 minutes, so we will get the difference. So let's have M minus 250 times the rate, which is the 7 pesos and 50 centavos, plus don't forget to attach your monthly charge, which is 1,499. Okay, so again, what will be the restriction value condition set by the telecompany? Exceeding 250 minutes. So M is greater than 250. So let's have the following. Find A, so 225 minutes. So if a subscriber consume 225 minutes, so it will fall under equation number 1. So therefore, magkano yung babayaran ni subscriber? So the subscriber will pay at the end of the month with an amount of 1,499. How about for letter B? If the subscriber consumes at 400 minutes, so we will have the second case, so second equation, so 400. So exceeding 250 minutes, so we have the second equation for the piecewise. So we will replace M with 400. 400 minus 250, that will be 150. 150 times 750. 7 pesos and 50 centavos will be 100. 100. So 1,125 plus the constant charge will be 1,499. So therefore, so the consumer will pay 2,624. So at the end of the month. So this amount yung babayaran ni subscriber with an amount of 2,624. So with 400 minutes. How about 620 minutes consumed? So we will also use the second equation. So C of 622 equal to 1,499 plus the rate 7 pesos and 50 centavos. M will be the 622, then minus 250 minutes. So get the difference. So you have 370 times 7.50. So magkano siya? So that will be 2,775 plus 1,499. So at the end of the month, the subscriber will pay 4,274. Let's have another example. So number 2, UV Express has a minimum rate of 15 pesos for the first 4 kilometers, effectively last January 2019. For every succeeding or exceeding kilometer, they charge their passenger or commuter with addition of 2 pesos per kilometer. So the amount charges are a function of the distance traveled. So we have A of K. Let's have A. A is for the amount and the K will be the total distance per kilometer. So remember, ano yung first condition na sinet niya? For the first 4 kilometers, so magkano i-charge ni UV Express driver? So 15 pesos. And what will be the condition set for the first 4 kilometers? So this will be K is less than 0 but greater than 4. How about for the second one? For exceeding kilometer, so K, then you also have number 4. So 4. So get the difference. K minus 4 times the rate, which is yung 2 pesos. Plus, don't forget to attach your fixed rate, which is 15. So you have 2 pesos times K minus 4 plus 15. K is the exceeding number of kilometers. So set by K is greater than 4. So let's solve. So let's have part A. How much you will pay if you have 3 kilometers? So we will have the first case. So magkano babayaran? So 15 pesos lang siya. And how about for the second one? So letter B, 20 kilometers. So 20 is greater than 4. Then we will have the second equation, A of 20 equal to 15 plus 2 pesos, the rate, times the quantity K minus 4, where K is 20. So we will get the difference of this exceeding value. So 20 minus 4, this will be 16. Then 16 times 2 is 32. 32 plus 15, that will be 47. So, si commuter traveling with 20 kilometers will pay 47 pesos. Let's have the next part. How about the distance traveled by 35 kilometers? So, magkano ang babayaran ni commuter traveling with 35 kilometers? So, we have the second equation will be K minus 4, where K is 35 minus 4, that will be 31. 31 times 2 is 62. Then 62 plus 15, that will be 77. So, for a commuter passenger traveling with 35 kilometers, then babayaran niya is 77 pesos. Okay, so let's have another example. So, a water cooperative charge with a fixed amount of 250 pesos a month for residential household consumption less than 2 cubic centimeters plus subjected to 2% tax. So, below is the classification for the water consumption in cc or cubic centimeters. So, express the following total cost as a piecewise function of water consumption. So, let's have the following. The policy come to an effect that for every 2 cubic centimeter but not over 10 cubic centimeter will have 2.5% of the excess over 2 cubic centimeters. Over 10 cc but not over 20 cc will have 3.5% of the excess over 10 cc. Over 20 cc but not over 30 cc will have 4.5% of the excess of 20 cc. Over 30 cc will have 7.5 of the excess over 30 cc. So let's present T as the total cost. Then you have C for the consumed cubic centimeter. So what again? The fixed charge per month, this will be 250 pesos plus the tax, which is 2%. So we have 250 pesos plus the 2%, 250 times 2%, 0.02. So that will be 255. So less than 2 cc for those who are consuming 202 cc. How about for the second part? Over 10 c the 2 cc but not over 10 cc. So 250 pesos plus the principal rate, which is 250 times the 2.5%, whatever excess of 2 cc. So the rate will be 250 times 2.5% times excess of 2 cc. So you have C is greater than 2 but less than 10. So you also have the third one, 10 cc but not over 20 cc will have 3.5% of the excess over 10 cc. So 250 plus the 250 times the rate percentage of the tax will be 0.035 or the 3.5% times the excess of 10 cc minus 10 for this interval. Next one, we have the over 20 cc but not over 30 cc will have 4.5%. So you have 250 plus the 250 times the percentage tax, 4.5% times the difference of excess in 20 cc cubic centimeter. And for the last one is excess over 30 cubic centimeters. So what will be the representation? So you have 250 plus times 250 times the 7.5%, then multiplied by the excess, the 30 cc. So all in all, this will be the representation for the consumption with respect to the percentages set by the board of management. We have the continuation on the other video.